switch mode trunk, switch native VLAN 99, and then shutdown and then end. We finally configure trunking ports and designated the native VLAN for the trunks of switch 1. And next is we need to configure BTP server with VLANs, and to configure BTP server with VLANs, we need to configure it again. Let's type config again, and then VLAN 99 the name which is here. Name management VLAN 10, name faculty, name faculty staff VLAN 30, name guest VLAN 20, name students, and then end. Now we configure the management interface address on all 3 switches, and we will start first to switch 1, which is int, which will be int VLAN 99. The IP address of switch 1, which is the IP address of switch 1, which is 172.17.99.11 255.255.255.0. And configuring the switch 1 is done. And then let's close it, and then we go now to switch 2 as the next switch. And also we need to go to CLI and then enter. We need to enable it and then configure. We will make the host name of switch 2 as switch 2 stands for S2 stands for switch 2, and then enable secret class, no IP domain lookup, and then IP default gateway 172.17.99.1 line console 0 password Cisco, login line BTY 0 space 15, and then password Cisco, login, and then end. Copy running config, startup config. And next, we go now in configuring BTP on the switches. Enable the user ports on switch 2 in access mode. So we need to configure it again. Copy running config, start of config. Int FA0 switch mode access, and then shutdown. Int FA0 11. Int FA0 11 switch mode access, no shutdown, and then int FA0 18 switch mode access, and then no shutdown. And then we go now in configuring BTP of switch 2. First, we will type BTP modes, and because the switch 1 will be the server, so automatic the switch 2 will be the client. BTP domain lab 6. BTP password Cisco, and then end. And like what we do to switch 1 in configuring trunking ports and designated the native VLAN for the trunks, we will do it also in switch 2. And to do that, let's first configure it again, and then just type int FA01 switch mode trunk switch native VLAN switch native VLAN 99. Oh, there's something wrong. Let's repeat it again. Int FA01 switch mode access switch mode trunk, and then switch native VLAN 99, and no shutdown. And we will do it up to int FA02, 03, 04, and last is int FA05. and we will configure it